Hello there. A couple nights ago, I came across this old song that I had heard a lot of times before, but I never sang it, and I wish I did earlier, but it's never too late. And I showed you the original chords for key of B flat, which is the original version that Karen Carpenter sang. I think she sang it probably in early 70s, and by 73, by 1973, it was on top of the charts there. And she only survived another 10 years after that. She passed away at the very early age of 32. And her brother was one of the composers of this song, and he played the keyboards. And I've seen her sometimes play the drums herself and singing the song. And she was a very powerful singer, one of the most powerful female singers I've seen. And I'm gonna today do it in the key of D. So I'm gonna need some chords: D, A, G, F sharp minor, E minor, A7, E minor 7, flat 5. So if E minor is here, you do it like this. And I have shown you on a piece of paper that I'm posting in Telegram. And then you need A7 sustain 4, and you just lift this, give it A7 sustain 4. And I've written that also, and those are the chords that you're gonna need. So an A7, sometimes you can play it like this, sometimes play it just like this. Probably just like this is better for this song. And another technique that I want to show you that I think it helps to kind of embellish the song a little bit. You go. Something like that. So you play a D chord, then you hold the G here with your pinky, then you lift these two, and you play the E. Then you go boom, boom, boom. A, B, C sharp. Then you start playing the chords to start the song. So we'll do that. I'm sure I'll make mistakes, and I'm not gonna re-record. It's just gonna be like a lesson. So if I make mistake, please forgive me. I'm learning the song as well. Let's go ahead. Such a feeling coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, but the sun in my eye. And you won't be surprised if ain't a dream. Everything I want the world to be is not coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You are the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me on the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there is a pleasing sense of happiness for me. And there is only one wish on my mind. When the day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me, and I'll need will be mine. if you are here. I didn't read this like all I need. Okay, all I need will be me man if you are here. Then it goes back. I'm on the top of the world looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found. And you've been around, you're at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found. Ever since you've been around, your love's put me at the top of the world. And that's it for tonight. It's night here, but wherever you are, I hope you have a great day or night. Take good care. Bye bye.